Go upstairs.
Wait. Go.
Okay, we're going to go upstairs. You can see this has all kinds of items waiting to be taken up into the right place. This is laundry that is waiting to be done. Overwhelming. Where do you start? And scan the room out. There's just so much to do, not enough time to do it. In here, more laundry waiting. The idea is to, something is better than nothing. And the idea is to spend the time doing the do's so that we don't have time to do the don'ts. And you can see that sometimes it's just overwhelming. Where do you start? And so food becomes an avenue of comfort. And I am realizing that it's not about calories in, calories out, nearly as much as it's about retraining the behaviors and the habits and the disciplines that someone who's task-oriented and always going about the tasks of the day is able to do rather than eat. So this is my theory. I'm going to put it into test, and we'll see if I'm thinner and my house is cleaner by the end of the 30 days. Thank you.